Known for its early 20th century Art Nouveau and First Republic villas, the residential context of the Central Bohemian region in the Czech Republic has become a showcase for distinctive architecture, blending historical tradition with contemporary proposals. In this setting, Villa Sidonius stands out with its bold concrete and steel structure, elevated on large concrete supports like a bridge on a steep slope. Designed by the Prague-based architecture studio Stempel Tesar Architekti, Villa Sidonius was conceived as a modern reinterpretation of the many villas that historically define the region. The elevation of the house is rooted in a structural, architectural, and technological experiment. The building takes the form of a bridge resting on concrete pillars, reminiscent of a steel footbridge crossing the hillside. This solution offers sweeping views of the Berounka River Valley and the Prague skyline, while also maximizing sunlight on a shaded site. Access to the house is through an underground tunnel connected to the garage, which also contains a studio and a fitness area. This space opens to a small courtyard through floor-to-ceiling windows and is topped by a terrace with a glass railing. The tunnel leads to a concealed elevator at the base of one of the structural pillars, providing direct access to the main level. Organized as an open-plan space, the living, dining, and kitchen areas are located at the center of the rectangular volume. The cantilevered ends of the bridge house two distinct zones, The children's bedrooms at one end and the primary bedroom suite, complete with bathroom and expansive views, at the other. The prefabricated steel structure is composed of an external structural element made from HEB 300 profiles that span the 18-meter gap between monolithic reinforced concrete pillars, and an internal load-bearing framework primarily built from IP 160 profiles, which support the windows, roof, and floors. Cutting-edge innovations were incorporated, such as Swiss Air Lux windows with patented air seal technology, and a heating and cooling system powered by heat pumps. These features ensure year-round thermal comfort, even with the lower heat retention typical of a steel framework. Facing north, Villa Sidonius features wide windows that frame the surrounding landscape, while on the southern side, sliding glass doors open onto a sunlit terrace with a garden and swimming pool.